How to log into IKEA credit card online. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily log into the IKEA Comenity credit card online. First thing you have to do is simply go to your web browser and search for IKEA credit card login. And you'll see this link from Bread Financial. So this is the comenity.net. Go ahead and open this link up. And once you are here, you'll have an option to manage your account for your IKEA card. So based on these cards, select what you have. It could be your IKEA Visa credit card or IKEA Projekt credit card. Select any one of them that you have. And then from here, all you have to do is simply tap on the sign in button to log into your account. Or if you're new, you can apply for this credit card. So if you tap on the sign in button, you can just enter the username here and password and click on the sign in button. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, click on this remember me button and it will remember your your username info so that you don't have to enter it every time you log in. And if you somehow forgot your username and password, you can click right here to recover it. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.